Hey guys, this is John at Team One, and today we're going to be talking about common mistakes that people make when they work on their car, DIY at-home things. I know some of the things that I see fairly frequently, or at least hear about from the front shop, are people not torquing lug nuts, scarily enough, suspension components that don't have tight bolts, and we get a lot of modified cars here that have coilovers. And some of those coilovers have top hats that allow you to adjust camber, and those get clocked the wrong direction a lot of the time. I've seen that myself. I think I've done it myself as well. Let's go ask the technicians and see what they have to say. Some things that you've seen when people are working on their own cars that might not be right.
One time I had a guy track down a fluid leak. He tried to track it down for months at a time. Could never figure it out. It happened every time he would park in his driveway at a specific angle. This thing would leak oil or coolant or whatever, right? Well, turns out there was a busted 2-liter Coke under his seat. And like his driveway was really inclined. And every time he would park, all the Coke or whatever would go to the back of the car and leak out.
But don't do that. Don't leave 2 liters in your car. And what are some things you've seen when people work on their own cars that might not be the best?
Probably using silicone in places that need gaskets, or using too much silicone. And yeah, it's just never fun to clean up after someone else. So yeah,
I'd probably have to say looking on forums and getting the wrong answer, something that's totally not related. We see that a lot here, and they'll say it's this thing, but it's all the way over here.
One of the most common mistakes that we see has to be when people want to lower their cars. They'll set it to a right height or whatever and think that they're good, not realizing that they need to do an alignment afterwards, and they'll start getting their tires eaten up and everything else just for the low factor of the car. So we see a lot of those come in here with, chewed up tires and everything needing alignments because people will do their own coilovers and then just right on after that. So that's pretty much it.